Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a little like graduation makeup type of thing. I know graduation is coming up in May. I can't believe that it's been a year since I've graduated college. It feels like yesterday, seriously, and now I have a job and all this stuff. It's so weird, it's so weird. But I'm going back to college now to get my master's. I actually start in May, so in a month from now, I'll be a student again. I'm not excited, but at the same time I am excited. I'm just so ready to like get it done, have my master's and call it a day, because it's gonna be hard working and going to my master's, but I'm ready. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to do like a little makeup tutorial of what I did for my graduation. I don't remember exactly what makeup products I used, and I definitely have like a new foundation now. Basically, it's going to be a little simple makeup tutorial for your graduation. For graduation, I always like to keep it really simple, really fresh looking, especially because it's, well, mine was during the day. I know there is night graduations, but mine was during the day, so I had a really fresh and spring looking look. I'm going to start the makeup tutorial, so if you want to see what look I come up with, then please keep watching. So first, you're going to want to start with a great moisturizer in order to have a very fresh and moisturized face. Mine was in May, and in Florida it's really hot, so it's very important that if you have dry skin, moisturizing is going to be your first step. So for today, I'm using the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Moisturizer. I honestly don't know why I picked today to film, because they're actually working on my house. So they're like drilling, and I'm pretty sure you can hear it, but work with me, people. After my face is moisturized, I'm going to prime my face with the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Primer. Next, I'm going to conceal my face. I am using the ColourPop concealer today in the color medium. Alright, to set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. Next, for foundation, I'm going to be using my Dior Forever foundation. Next, to set my foundation, I'm going to be using the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using my Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. Alright, for the next part, I'm going to zoom you in because I'm going to be doing my eyes. Alright, so for my eyes today, I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia. For the first color I'm going to choose is going to be Raw Sienna, and I'm just going to be putting that all over my crease. Alright, so that's going to be it for the eyes. For my bronzer today, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild contouring palette in the color Dulce de Leche. For my blush today, I'm going to be using this Studio Makeup. It's a luminous loose blush. And yeah, I don't know what color it's in, but it looks like this. And for highlight today, I'm using my Anastasia Amirezi highlight. Since your graduation is going to be super long, you want to make sure that it lasts all day. I'm going to be setting my makeup with my MAC setting spray. So I completely forgot to add a lip to this look. I'm so sorry. But I usually go for the natural lip, so I'm going to be using ColourPop's Fairy Floss. I'm pretty sure it's just a gloss, and I'm just going to put that on my lips. Alright, and that's all for my graduation look. I really hope you guys liked it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this look, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!